Good afternoon guys. Today I'm going to show you how to add text over an image. So for that we're going to go to our Microsoft Teams. Inside Microsoft Teams we're going to search for 7th grade and we're going to look for the computer class. For that, if we cannot see it over here, we are going to click on hidden channels and we're going to see over here computer. Clicking there, we are going to see that we have on the top or over here where it's saying more, you are going to see the design web program that is called Photopea. So if I enter there, it's going to take me to the browser. Now over here you are going to see this big X, so I click there. You see, I press there. Now Chrome is going to tell me if I want to add Photopea as a main to the main screen. So I click there and I say add. Now that is already add Photopea, I'm going to go to Pixabay and over here I'm going to search for a sunset. Now, once you have the picture that you want, you enter there. And if you see, I'm going to make a long press to the image. So it's going to take you to this menu that is going to ask you for downloading the image. So I'm going to download the image. And it's going to download the image on a strange format that is WebP. This format is a low resolution. And over here, now we can go to Photopea and start making the editing. Over here is going to say to us a new project, open from computer, and I'm going to say open from computer. Now here, I'm going to click downloads. Here I can see my sunset. It's loading. Now that I have my sunset here, I can add a layer. Over here to this side, to this corner over here, you are going to see the layer, this one that is a lay. So we are going to press there and it's going to show you the layers that we have. Now we need to add a new layer. So for that we are going to press this one over here. And now I have a new layer. Now I'm going to press again here to layers so I can hide the layers. And I'm going to use the select tool that I have here. This one. I'm going to select it. And I'm going to make a square over here. And now, having selected, I'm going to verify on the layers that I'm on the layer 1. Yes, I am on the layer 1. And I'm going to go here where it's saying gradient. This one over here. I press here and you're going to see the paint bucket tool. I select the paint bucket tool, and now over here I can change the color, okay, to a color that I want. For example, if we want a bluish, something like that. Now I can paint over here with the bucket tool. Now if you see over here on the top I have black, so I need to change that to the color that I want. And now with the bucket tool I can replace that color. Now having the color already set, we are going to go to select over here and we are going to say deselect. Okay, having that, we can start writing. So I'm going to select the text tool, that is this T that we have here on this side. So I click here and I start writing, you see. And now we are going to write our name. Now if you see, this is going to be very small, so we can select this text by pressing here, you see, the last one, and we can move here the selection. Now I'm going to set the cursor at the last letter, and here if you see I can change the cursor. Now I'm going to change the size of the font by clicking here on size. Now there. Now I'm going to change the font. I'm going to click here. On Deja Vu, I'm going to click over here so I can change the font to another one. Now here you are going to be able to see the different fonts. If you see, and you can select the font that you like. For example, this one. Now here is something that we are going to see a lot. Latin characters on some fonts are not supported, so we need to remove that character. And now we can move the text to a place that we want. Now we are going to click to layer and we are going to select layer 1 and we are going to change the opacity to 46. Okay, 46 there. Having that, there is your text over on top of the image. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and take care.